Hey guys, I'm here with my friend David, and today we're checking out the sound quality on the Hero 5 and the Hero 6. So right now you're listening to the sound from the GoPro Hero 5, and now we're going to switch to the GoPro Hero 6. So this is what the GoPro Hero 6 sounds like in terms of voice quality. So maybe you notice a difference, maybe you don't. And now we're going to play some music, and you'll see at the bottom of the screen here whether we have sound coming out of the 5 or the 6 right now. Alright, go ahead. Keep going. Yeah, you need more. Alright, good. Alright guys, so there's your comparison. Leave a comment in the thing below, and then let me know which one you think is better. Let me know if there's a difference at all. Alright, see you in the next video.